Hey there again, this is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon, showing you this 2013 G63, adding the Werewolf portal axle kit, CTIS kit, and double beadlock wheels. Just working on the rears right now. I'll show you the painted calipers here in a second. Client wanted us to paint the rear calipers red to match the front calipers. Werewolf kit does come with different rear calipers and rotors. I wanted to show you though the CTIS setup for the back, or on the back I should say. Really slick how Werewolf does this. So you have the air fitting here, goes through the portal box, comes out, and this will connect into the double beadlock wheel. It's a very concealed and slick way to do CTIS, central tire inflation system. So we have some of the components here of the CTIS, using a ARB twin compressor, 3-gallon tank, all these fittings. Nice high quality. Show you here real fast where we're going to place the ARB twin compressor and the air tank. You can also see here the client's got MBRP exhaust. Makes the truck sound pretty rowdy. Again, here's some of the front portal boxes. Got the front apart to rebuild this. See the burr field here. I'll show you also the Phoenix wheel and 38-inch tire. Still assembling these wheels. Again, they're a double beadlock, so inner and outer, multi-piece wheel, forged wheel, by the way. This is a 38, 13.5, 20 Cooper STT Pro. Rear calipers. Again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated, Bend, Oregon. This is video 2 of this upfit on this G-Wagen. We will show you more as we go along. Thanks for watching. In the meantime, you can find us at www.matrixintegrated.cc, as in Charlie.